Hello, my name is Faisal Ahmed and today we will discuss about kinetic properties of the muscle. So, kinetic properties of the muscle refers to the factors that determine how muscles produce force, movement and power. There are some keys kinetic properties are included, like first, force velocity relationship. In this, force and contraction velocity are inversely related. At high concentration speed, muscles generate less force, while at slower speeds, they can produce more force. This relationship is crucial for understanding how muscles perform under different loads. Second is length tension relationship. In this, muscle force generation depends on the muscle's length at the time of contraction. There is an optimal length at which muscle fiber can produce the maximum force, as this allows the best overlap of actin and myosin filament for cross bridge formation. Third is rate of force development, as we can say RFD. So RFD is the speed at which muscle force can be generated. This is essential in activities requiring explosive movements, as a higher RFD indicates faster force production. And fourth property is elastic properties. Muscles and tendons have elastic component that store and release energy like a spring during movement. This stored elastic energy can contribute to force production and efficiency in activities like running or jumping and other stretching movement. Fifth is muscle power. Power is the product of force and velocity. Muscle power is essential in many dynamic activities such as sprinting or lifting, and is influenced by both muscle strength and the speed of contraction. Next is twitch and titiness. When a muscle fiber is stimulated, it produces a twitch, like a single quick contraction. If stimuli are repeated quickly, the muscle reaches titiness, where contractions overlap, creating sustained force. The ability to achieve titiness is important for prolonged force output. And the last properties is fatigue. Muscle fatigue affects the kinetic properties by reducing the ability to produce force over time. Fatigue can be influenced by metabolic factors, neural fatigue, and the type of muscle fiber being used. So that's all for today. Thank you.